Are you ready for today's message? Here we go. Hello, friends. Today is Friday, April blank, 2020. Let's look up at our number line. We have 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and yesterday was 23. So what number is it today? What goes here? Let's count again. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How do we make a 24? Let's look at our number pattern. 2 and a 0, 2 and a 1, a 2 and a 2, a 2 and a 3, a 2 and a 4. That's right. 2 and a 4 is a 24. Let's do 24 teeny tiny baby finger pinches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 baby finger pinches. It is blanket day. It's blanket day. Do you have your blanket? No, you don't? Go get it real fast and I'll wait. You coming? Okay, wait another minute. Okay, you're back. All right, here we go. Today, we will read Trashy Town. That sounds like a town with a lot of trash in it. And we'll also read We Are Growing. Who's growing? Are you growing? Did you measure how tall you were yesterday? Did you? I saw some people did. How many inches were you? Can you let me know how many inches you were? Let's look at our question of the day today. Our question of the day says, which container has more bottles? Now, this is something you can do at home, but I wanted to show you my containers too. Here, I have container number 1. There are the bottles. Do you see how full it is? All the way to the tippy top. See? Now let's look at my other container. Whoa, this is container 2. This container is full all the way above the top. See? The container stops here and the bottles go up, 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 up. So let's look at my 2 containers together. Let's look from this side. And let's look from the side. Which container has the most bottles? Come on over and point. Which one? Which one has the most bottles? Container number 1 or container number 2? Let me know what you think. Which one has the most? Did everyone make their choice yet? Okay, let's check. Let's count how many bottles are in container number 1. We have 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles in container number 1. Let's double check and count again. 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles. That is the number 3 for container number 1. So I'm going to write that down right here. Container number 1, it's actually a dish. So I said dish 1 has 3 bottles. Let's look at my dish number 2. Remember, that one was super full. It went all the way to the top. Let's count them. 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles. Let's count one more time and see how many of these bottles are in container number 2. Let's count again. 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles. We double checked. How many bottles were there? 3 bottles. There were 3 bottles in dish number 2. Oh my goodness! There were 3 in dish 1 and 3 in dish 2. That's the same. They are equal. There are the same numbers of bottles in dish 1 as there were in dish 2. But why is this one more full and this one is not as full? How is that possible? You might be right. Let's look. In dish 1, I did something to my bottle. What did I do to it? Right. I smushed it. I smashed it down. I did something called compact. I compacted my bottle. I made it smushed so it doesn't take up as much space. But my other bottle, I did not compact. This one did not get smushed, so it takes up a lot more space. So take a look. If I were to put all these not compacted bottles at the dump, it would fill up the dump super fast. But if I put compacted bottles in there, it won't fill it up as fast. So is it better for the earth for us to compact our trash, for us to smush it down? Yes, it is, because that way it won't take up as much space and we won't have trash in a lot of space. We can have trash in a little bit of space. Friends, this is something you can try out with your own bottles or even your own cans. Ask your family if maybe you can try it at home too. All right, friends, I'll see you later for our story. Bye now.